As winter sweeps across Yemen, the cold is hitting hardest in the country's displacement camps. Millions of families are now exposed to the weather with limited shelter and declining aid. In a camp north of Sana'a, families reported that tents have failed to keep out rain and cold air. Displaced residents say overnight temperatures dropped significantly, forcing families to rely on improvised materials due to the lack of winter clothing or heating.
We suffer from the cold and the rain. If it rains, the tent and interior are affected. I have children who cannot bear it and might die from the cold, so I cover them with plastic bags because of the heavy rain and freezing cold. Sometimes the bedding is soaked with water. The place where we sit is flooded and the mattresses and blankets are also wet. We don't know where to sit. We also suffer from hunger and illness.
The United Nations estimates Yemen has more than 4.5 million internally displaced people, the majority living in camps without seasonal support. Field assessments indicate deteriorating conditions in at least 45 camps across 12 provinces, with reported deaths linked to climate-related illness.
The combination of cold, hunger, and lack of basic health services has naturally worsened the situation. You know that humanitarian aid has become scarce due to US sanctions and the politicization of aid, which directly affects displaced families in the camps, especially in areas facing extreme cold or multiple outbreaks of disease.
Rights groups and aid officials say the situation reflects broader structural challenges as prolonged conflict and political restrictions have constrained humanitarian operations.